2020 Ram 1500 Big Horn, 5.7 liter HEMI. What we've got done on this beautiful beast. Factory converter there, factory converter there, then factory resonator there. Some of them came with it, some of them don't. Then what we did is put a 3-inch in, 3-inch out, Super 44, part number 4943048. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we kept the rest of his factory duals and took off the 2 resonators there and there. There they are right there. And took off the tips and pipe and replaced them with 5-inch tips, angle cut, out the back, right there and right there. Black, just to complete the look, give it that nice deep tone. Came out really clean, really beautiful. And there's that muffler that we cut off right there also. So that's all his old stuff that we cut off and replaced. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and there'll be links in the description for everything you see that we did. Much better. FLOWMASTER Super 44, 5-inch tips, angle cut. That's how it's going. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 104. Again. Much better. It actually sounds like a truck now. Oh yeah. Ram Big Horn. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram FLOWMASTER Super 44 resonator delete and 5-inch angle cut tips. Can't beat the idle on that.